Hi everyone, Ryan Automotive here. Thought I'd give you an update on the Project Lotus we have here. 77 Lotus Esprit. Previously, we've separated the body from the chassis, pulled a bunch of bits out. Yeah, you can see the chassis still sits down here. There's a radiator, rotten fuel tanks. Engine used to be back there. Anyway, pulled the engine out a while ago, finally got some time today, thought I'd strip it down, get it ready for a machine shop. Because there was some corrosion inside, even though this thing has less than 20,000 K. So here's the engine bits. Cylinder head. You got the cams and their carriage with the tappets in it. Got the oil pickup tubes, the rear main seal. The oil filter housing assembly with a distributor drive. We got the pistons. We got the exhaust manifolds, some little bits here. Got the crankshaft, the main carriage with the bearings in it. Main bearings don't look too bad. There's a few of the rod bearings. One of them shows like some grit went through it. One of them's got a little scuff down to the copper. Here's the block. You can see the block design here. There's some corrosion down the side there from having old water sitting in it. The cylinder walls have some rusting, but no serious pitting. Hopefully they can be honed and we don't have to bore it. But we'll see. Overall, it's just a dirty beast. Flip it over. See the underside there. You can see the main bearings. It's possible there was water in the coolant. I haven't fully figured that out yet. Or, sorry, water in the oil. But nothing's destroyed. Now to get it all, scrape the gaskets is the next step. Get all the little pieces apart and send it off for cleaning. Some hot tank. Just get all the corrosion and goo off it. Yeah, anyway, until next time.